So very good evening to all our friends from the press. Today we had multiple programs as well as multiple review meetings, and also we had our cabinet meeting today out here in the State Guest House. In the morning I had a program which we have started, which we call the Achiever of the Month. And the purpose of this program is to felicitate, to recognize, to motivate, and also encourage other individuals to become achievers. And the way that we have designed this is that every month we intend to take one particular group, say entrepreneurs or farmers or students or maybe even our sports persons, and really focus on individuals who have achieved. In a lot of those cases, government has supported in almost all those programs. So for this month, which is the month of July, coming tomorrow, we started on 30th of June to give that push for the next whole month, where we are going to be focusing on entrepreneurs. So today a large number of entrepreneurs were there in my residence. I interacted with them. We heard some testimonies. I had a CM Connect program with the entrepreneurs. They shared a lot of the difficulties, challenges they faced, and the interesting journey that they've had. And also, they were able to give me suggestions on how we could improve the different programs under Prime and different programs under CM Elevate, and also different ways in which we could expand the overall support that we give to entrepreneurs. Today, hundreds of entrepreneurs are being supported by Prime as well as by CM Elevate programs. And it was very encouraging, as I said today, to meet our different entrepreneurs and to hear from them and to interact with them. And as I said, that throughout this month, we have decided to encourage other entrepreneurs to speak out about entrepreneurship and encourage other individuals to choose entrepreneurship, because in the last 7 to 8 years we have seen a huge change and a huge improvement in the overall ecosystem for entrepreneurs. And I do encourage the members of the press fraternity to please interact with some of the entrepreneurs who have been supported by Prime as well as other CM Elevate and other programs of Government of Meghalaya, which have allowed them to increase their businesses. There was in fact one individual from William Nagar, and it was very encouraging to see his story, where he used to make tables and furnitures and different kind of artifacts and different kind of products from logs and woods that were thrown away, I should say, and rotting or lying unused. And he was sharing his testimony where he was in the earlier days spending or selling his products on the roadside, because he had no support. And today, after Prime giving him different equipments, giving him financial support, giving him different trainings, he has been able to open shops in multiple towns throughout the state, including in Shillong, Tura, William Nagar. And you'll be happy to know that his products today are selling on Amazon. And in fact, he's selling many of his products to customers in the metropolitans. And today, on an average, he is having a turnover of approximately 4 lakh rupees per month. From selling in the streets, as I said, his products to today having shops and selling online is a wonderful journey of how entrepreneurship has grown in our state. And this story is something that is replicated again through multiple entrepreneurs in different parts of our state, and that's really what we're trying to promote and project through Prime. And with that objective in mind, as I said, we have started this program called Achiever of the Month, where we facilitate, as I said, we felicitate and we motivate and we encourage our young entrepreneurs. Another program that we'll be starting